How does the associative property work in math? Have you ever wondered how numbers can be grouped in different ways without changing the outcome? That is exactly what the associative property in mathematics is all about. This property is a key concept that helps us understand how addition and multiplication work. The associative property tells us that when we add or multiply three or more numbers, the way we group them does not change the final result. For addition, we can write this as the sum of two numbers plus a third number. For example, if we have numbers a, b, and c, we can group them as a plus b plus c, and it will equal a plus b plus c. The same idea applies to multiplication. Let's look at addition first. Suppose we want to add to 3 and 5. We can group them as 2 plus 3 plus 5 or 2 plus 3 plus 5. In both cases, we end up with a total of 10. This shows that it does not matter how we group the numbers, the sum remains the same. Now let's consider multiplication. If we multiply 2, 3, and 5, we can group them as 2 times 3 times 5 or 2 times 3 times 5. Both ways give us a product of 30. This property is especially helpful when dealing with larger numbers or more complex calculations. In everyday life, the associative property can make our calculations easier. For instance, if you are adding up prices while shopping, you can group the items in a way that simplifies your math. If you have items costing $25, $2, and $8, you can group them as 25 plus 2 plus 8 or 25 plus 2 plus 8. Both ways lead to the same total of $35. This property is not just useful for basic arithmetic. It plays a significant role in algebra and other advanced math topics. When we simplify expressions, knowing we can regroup numbers helps us solve problems more efficiently. Understanding the associative property allows us to see the consistency in mathematics. It shows how numbers interact in a predictable way. By grasping this concept, we can tackle arithmetic challenges with confidence and ease. So, the next time you are adding or multiplying, remember that how you group your numbers can make your calculations simpler, all while leading to the same result.